Well, good afternoon. We continue to watch that wind come up here this afternoon. It's getting a little more breezy down at the Dakota Magic Casino. The sky cam there showing flags moving in that wind as we're seeing it pick up. Still getting some sunshine though, and a decent day ongoing in the southern end of the valley. And it's still not too bad up in the north as well. The problem is we'll see some rain moving in shortly. Here's a look at that wind. It's either westerly or turning northwesterly, and we've got those gusts getting into the 30s already for some. We've got a gust to 33 miles per hour in Jamestown. In Grand Forks, 22 miles per hour. That wind coming in out of the west or northwest again here. And this will continue through the afternoon as this latest round of active weather sweeps through for the rest of the day today. Now temperatures are pretty nice for the noon hour. We're looking at some 60s to some 70s. We're at 73 degrees in Fargo, 71 in Grand Forks, a warm 75 in Wahpeton and down in Sisseton. Northern Valley, some of us still in the 60s. And this is an area that may struggle a little bit to either stay in the 70s where we've warmed up there, or to even get to that number as that cooler air moves in and as what's happening here continues. We've got more rain and eventually the potential for some thunder showers too, starting to approach our border towns first and then continuing to drop to the south and east. We'll zoom in a little bit more here. You can see just some green, very light areas of green showing up at this point. Still north of the border, maybe a couple of sprinkles over in that northwest angle, but you can certainly see we've got more clouds developing in this area too. So let's expand the view and show you what's going on here. We've got this big area of low pressure that just continues to influence our weather. It's been responsible for that kind of drive of that northwesterly wind. It's that cooler air that's been around this week and will continue to be for the next couple of days. And it continues to just kind of drift in some of these disturbances around that low. And this is the latest one that's going to sweep through. So let's take a look at our hour by hour planner. Temperatures today, again, on the rise in the southern valley. You can see we'll get into some mid 70s to some upper 70s today in the south with more sunshine, though there are some clouds in the south too. Northern Valley this afternoon, this is 3 o'clock. You can see some of this rain moving in, and then it continues to make its way through into the afternoon and into the evening hours. This is drive time, 5 o'clock tonight. Temperatures, you can notice, are in the 60s at that point in northwest Minnesota. Grand Forks may be starting to see our temperature drop if we have a shower or thunder shower moving through. And notice this isn't the only area. The south could also see an isolated shower or thunder shower as well. It's just going to be more concentrated the closer we are to that low that's up into Canada. Now this will continue to sweep through. The wind again increasing with it already. We've got those gusts above 30 miles per hour. And then into this evening, isolated spots, even again in the southern valley, so we won't be completely clear. And northern valley still kind of dealing with this into the 10 o'clock hour tonight. Eventually, it does start to taper off a little bit, and we should have a quiet start to our our Thursday morning coming up for tomorrow. Temperatures into the 50s to start off the day for your Thursday. So a quick look at our Thursday, similar setup, except that low overall moves to the east. So chances for rain here as we move through the day are more likely to be in our eastern and northeastern counties before those move on. So rainfall potential, not a lot. We're looking at less than a ½ inch of rain total over the next couple of days. A look at your forecast heading into the rest of the week. Friday looks really nice, dry, temperatures nearing 80, and then the heat's back for the weekend with chances for rain and thunder.
Just in time for the calendar to switch to August.
Exactly. We're going to feel more like late July and August coming up here.
All right, Lisa, thank you.